Hey everybody, it's Kate Dillon with Crate Insider, and I'm here today with my good friend Jason Grubb from Daylube. And Jason, of course, I've been selling Daylube for several years now, and you guys haven't made any changes until recently. So tell us a little bit about this new formulation.
Well, you're right. It's been a product that's we've had great feedback, great results with it, and the one thing we were known for was being a ceramic grease, and that's what we removed. So, of course, everybody wants to know, why did you remove it? Well, the ceramic created a great product, but there were just a few little things that we didn't like about it that we thought we could improve upon. When you would get to the higher end of the temperature scale for Daylube, it could kind of hard and cake up a little bit. And so we have come out with a different formula now, replacing the ceramic with a different additive package, and the results have just been phenomenal. We've kept basically everything we liked about Daylube, but improved upon what we thought we could make better.
That's so exciting. And just to remind my audience, tell us a little bit about what are some of the best applications for your grease.
Typical applications for Daylube: wheel bearings, drive plates, axle splines, and the one nice thing about the Daylube is you just need just a finite amount, just enough to get a good thin coating, so you don't have to pack bearings like you conventionally would. Another good change with this new formulation is the water washout properties. Now, Daylube was always pretty good before and very resistant to water washout, but it's even better now. It's about as water resistant, waterproof as you can get. So it's like, especially for the dirt late model world, hitting it with the pressure washers, it's not gonna wash out.
Well, that is fantastic. I am so excited to bring this new formulation and just build upon the success we've had with Daylube for years and years. Thanks so much for this great information, and it's always great working with you, Jason.
Likewise. Thanks, Kate.